Okay, Timmy, I'm nervous about Hurricane Florence. And, oh gosh, it's supposed to be coming where we are, our way.
Well, I tell you one thing, Bill. I think we should go down in the basement. Or, I don't know, like, hide under the table. I'm just kidding, but please, it's like, or hide in the closet, hide in the bathroom. No, not. Oh my gosh. Well, anyways, guys, so far we're here in one piece, so maybe it'll go towards the ocean, that stupid Hurricane Florence. You never know. Maybe it will go towards that way.
I hope so, because we don't want to be blown away.
Anyways, guys, thanks for all the support you've been giving us, and we will make sure we stay safe. Because we just have to stay safe. I'm pretty scared myself. But I tell you what, I know if we lost power, and just the power without Hurricane Florence hitting us, at least the power we would get back for sure eventually. But Hurricane Florence hitting us would be like, whoa! But Hurricane Florence, go away and go the other way. Go towards back to the ocean. Oh gosh.
Well, so far right now, though, it is moving more the other way, I think. I hope.
Yeah, because we don't want to get blown away, Bill. Catch you guys later. We'll be okay, don't worry, guys. Catch you guys later. We're gonna protect ourselves and stay safe.